Hello, I'm Jitisha Patel. I joined networking last year with aim to upskill myself as I was working as network engineer, and I really wanted to upskill my the knowledge regarding networking, which was my core domain since the starting of my career. I had very less experience in this field, but then I wanted to upgrade so that I can complete my CCNP certification and get a better position and look for better career prospects. And that is why I just came across networking while I was surfing over the internet and looking for some, authentic guide for the same. Initially, I wasn't much sure about it. It looked like a usual network domain course, but then as I deeply dived into it, talking to the counselors, looking at the whole course curriculum, I could really make out that this is the place where I have landed very correctly, because the course content, the framing of the course, the instructor, they are so much streamlined. The instructors are not like usual teachers that you would find in any other offline or online classes. These are the real industry experts, and that matters a lot because uh, I faced many interviews after completion of the course from networking. So in those interviews, I was so surprised that many questions asked were very much related to the content that was taught by the instructor. Since these are the instructor from the real industry, so they know what they are expecting, right? The industry, what is the actual scenario in the industry and what they are expecting from the candidates. So those questions were very pinpoint. So the interview preparation that is being given over here in networking is also very much helpful, I would say. And I would suggest, if you are looking for domains like networking, right from CCNA to the higher level CCNP, then to cybersecurity, cloud, DevOps, here is your one stop for destination for all your learnings.